Hello and welcome to Sprinkles and Magic with me, Abeer.
Hi, welcome to Sprinkles and Magic. My name is Abeer. Cupcakes are so easy to make. That's why I call them easy peasy cupcakes. Cupcakes बनाने के लिए हमें ये चीजें चाहिए. 2 eggs, half cup butter, half cup sugar, half cup flour, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, and 1 teaspoon baking powder. Making it is really easy, so here we go. First, cream the butter and sugar until they are really fluffy. Next, we add the eggs one by one and mix them really well. Now we add the baking powder and vanilla. And finally, we mix in the flour. And the mixing is complete. Line the cupcake tray with liners like this. Now, we fill the cupcake mix into the liners. And the cupcakes are ready to go in the oven. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit or 150 Celsius. Always be sure to ask an adult for help with the oven. Ta-da! And the cupcakes with Sprinkles and Magic are ready. Here's an interesting food fact for you. The first cupcake can be traced as far back as 1796 when a recipe said that a cake be baked in small cups. Wow! Let that rise fun and inspiration in your baking. Try the easy peasy cupcakes and let me know how you did. Until next time, this is Abeer. Bye-bye!
ToffeeTV.com. For complete animated videos of songs and stories, subscribe to ToffeeTV.com today.